Alright, we are here today at EFI Express here in Lee, New Hampshire today. Dyno testing one of our little spec engine projects we've built out of parts. This originally started out as a Gen 4 LY6. We put a stage 2 cam in it, deleting the VVT. We put 42 pound injectors in it. And why don't you go ahead and fire it up, Mark. We're going to need this run at 60 pounds of fuel pressure with no vacuum effort. Wow, is that loud? And this motor is really making some good power too. We'll wait for it to come up on the screen, but once again, you need to have this fuel pressure at a steady 60 pounds, no vacuum reference. And you should have the screen up here in a second. Wow, look at that. That 393 horsepower at the hubs. Look at that graph on this thing. And if you have any questions or want this engine, because we haven't sold this one yet, so this one's up for grabs, give us a call at justchevytrucks.com or lsxforyou.com. Okay, thank you.